Hey everyone, this is Ty and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to secure your road glide, street glide, your Harley Davidson bagger in your enclosed trailer, fifth wheel, whatever you got, using this contraption right here called the BIKER bar. Stick around. All right, now that I've got the road glide pulled around, I wanted to show you guys the components of the BIKER bar and explain in a little bit of detail exactly what we're doing here. So first and foremost, we've got the BIKER bar that actually mounts onto the frame of the motorcycle. I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna do that. But here's your two mounting points, and then here's where it tightens up. Again, we're gonna go through all this. And the second thing is going to be the hardware that is in the floor inside this enclosed trailer that the BIKER bar mounts to. Okay, well here's the gist of it. This is the part of the BIKER bar that's mounted into the floor. You can tell when the BIKER bar is on the frame of the motorcycle, here's the mounting points. It's going to link in right here. It's going to link in right here. And then that is going to secure the motorcycle to the trailer. So let's get this thing hooked onto the bike, and then I'm going to show you guys how this works in real time. All right, so the first thing you want to do with the BIKER bar is make sure that it's expanded all the way out here. You've got as much slack in it as possible. And then on one side of the frame, we're going to connect in right here. And on the other side of the frame, we're going to connect in right here. Now once you get it attached to the frame of the motorcycle, we need to tighten everything up. And to do that, we're going to tighten up the BIKER bar with a few twists and turns here. And once you do get that as tight as possible, give it another quarter turn just to make absolutely sure. One other thing, it's always wise to make sure this is pointing up instead of down. That way it just doesn't drag. So make sure this part of the BIKER bar is pointing up and out of the way. All right, now that I've introduced you guys to the mounting hardware in the trailer, we've got the BIKER bar on the bike. Let's roll it in here and let me demo how easy it is to lock it in place. Quite honestly, it's just that easy. But if you're going to transport a motorcycle like this, then you got to put it in transport or trailer mode. Here's a sequence on how to do that. Very first thing you want to do is turn the motorcycle on. It's going to go through its initial test. On the turn indicators, you're going to see the needles bounce. Turn the motorcycle back off. Hold in both turn indicators. You're going to see it flash, there it goes, and it's going to show on the display that you are now in transport mode. So in order to get the bike out of transfer mode, all you have to do is turn it on, crank it, it'll release, and then you're back into normal mode. All right, then when you reach your destination, of course, you've got to get the motorcycle out of the trailer. Here is the best way to do that for the BIKER bar. One of the first things you want to do is you might have to move that floorboard to give yourself a little more clearance. You've got these two levers right here. You step on those, it will actually release the motorcycle from the clamp. Same thing on the other side. It's very simple, you just roll it out from there. So if you're interested in the BIKER bar, where to get it, pricing information, all that type of stuff, I'm going to have links in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Dixon has been watching and hopefully approving everything that we've done. He's pitiful. He's such a good boy. Again, I appreciate y'all's time so very much. If you've ever used this product, let me know in the description or let me know in the comments below. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.